Hi guys, finally there is a way to spend stablecoins in real life without complications and without fees. The app is called Offramp and is completely free for all users. Watch this video till the end to learn all the details. But before I start, I must say that I'm not a financial advisor and I will never be on this channel. Please do your own research every time before investing your funds anywhere. And let's get started. So, time rapidly presents us with more and more opportunities, but sometimes there are small oversights. Like, you have cryptocurrency, but it's difficult to spend it. That's the paradox of our time. Banks don't like crypto, sellers don't accept tokens, and withdrawing through exchanges returns into real torture with fees and delays. Offramp changed everything thanks its simplicity and phenomenal operating speed. Remember those endless struggles with funds being blocked and strange questions from banks? All that's becoming history because Offramp solved this puzzle in one go. The principle behind the app is really simple. You transfer USDC or USDT from any blockchain, Solana, Ethereum, or Base. The app instantly converts your stablecoins into real money. Then the magic happens, guys. You are issued a virtual Visa or Mastercard. You spend money wherever you want and nobody even suspects that cryptocurrency is the source of these funds. Imagine your day with Offramp. In the morning, you buy coffee. During the day, you order food. In the evening, you pay for a taxi. And all these transactions happen using cryptocurrency through a regular card. The app works without conversion fees, without monthly payments, and without hidden conditions. Sounds like a dream, but it's reality for every user. The registration process in the app is simple, guys. Download the app, enter your information, pass a quick verification, and immediately start using all the services features. No weeks of waiting. Security in Offramp is the highest level. The app uses modern encryption technologies and complies with all regulatory requirements. Your funds are always in safe hands. The limits in the app are truly impressive, up to 10,000 per day and up to 100,000 per month. This is more than enough for everyday spending and even large purchases. Offramp support service is always available. They quickly answer questions, solve problems, and provide professional consultations. You communicate with real people, not bots. The app speed is surprising. Transfer cryptocurrency, get a card, start spending, all within minutes. It's ready to simplify any financial operations at any moment. Transaction history is always at hand and allows you to control all experiences. You can easily track the movement of funds and effectively manage your personal finances. Privacy in Offramp is taken seriously. Complete protection of data and personal information is ensured. No one will ever know about your cryptocurrency operations. All operations in the app are legal and transparent. Built-in tools help track transactions for proper reporting and your peace of mind. Limitations in working with the app are minimal. It works on any modern smartphone in most countries around the world. You can pay for purchases in any store that accepts cards. Want to try Offramp? Just go to the website app.offramp.xyz, register for free, transfer cryptocurrency, and start enjoying spending freedom. Thanks to Offramp, you no longer need to worry about withdrawing crypto or paying fees. I think that you want to have this service if you want to simplify your financial life. Life is too short for complicated financial operations and endless waiting for transactions. Offramp saves your time, which can be spent on things that really matter. Follow the link in the description, guys, and go for it. It's great that such things are appearing to make life easier. Write your opinion in the comments, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video.